Across the black and raging sea, we sailed where no weak hearts could be. With iron hands and eyes of flame, we carved our fate, we spoke our name. We carved our fate, we spoke our name. The mountains called, the cold winds cried, the ravens circled in the sky. Iceland, land of fire and ice, where thunder wakes the northern skies. Through lava fields and glacier stone, we fight, we stand, we walk alone. Iceland, hear the ancient call, where brave men rise and weak men fall. By sword, by storm, by blood, by flame, shall live again. The ocean roared, the longship broke, but still we stood in fire and smoke. The gods were silent, the winds were wild, yet Iceland claimed the fearless child. On blackened sands and frozen plains, we carried honor, scars and